In this video, you'll learn how to effectively market Notion templates. By following these steps, you will be able to create a shareable link for your templates, customize their appearance, and publish them for potential customers to access. Begin by navigating to the Notion website, open your preferred web browser, and enter the URL for Notion. Once the site loads, sign into your account using your credentials. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to create one before proceeding. After logging in, select the page that contains the template you want to market. Browse through your workspace to locate the specific page. Clicking on the desired page will open it for editing. Ensure that this page is well organized and clearly demonstrates the features of your template. Next, look for the option labeled Share, located in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking this button will open a sharing menu. This menu contains various options regarding visibility and permissions for your template. Once in the sharing menu, you will need to enable sharing by clicking on the sharing toggle if it is not already active. After activating this option, you will see a link generated for sharing your templates. Copy this link, as it will be essential for marketing your template. Following this, you can publish your page to make it accessible to others. Click on the Publish button in the sharing menu. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to publish. Confirm your choice to proceed. After publishing, consider customizing the site styling to enhance the visual appeal of your templates. Click on Customize Site Styling to access various design options. Depending on your account type, you may have access to different themes and styling choices. If you have an upgraded account, you can choose a theme that aligns with your branding. Select the theme that best represents your template's purpose. This can improve the overall presentation and attract potential users. Next, you can modify the header of your published page. Click on Header to explore different header styles. Choose a header that complements your chosen theme and adds to the visual identity of your template. If you decide to make any changes, you can always click Cancel to revert back to the previous settings. This option allows you to experiment with different styles without making permanent changes. Once you've finalized your design, click on Share again to ensure all settings are correct. This step reaffirms that your template is ready for public viewing. After this, click on View Site to see how your template appears to visitors. Now that you've published and customized your Notion template, you can promote it through various channels. Consider social media, email, newsletters, or your personal website to reach a wider audience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.